Kaya pala.
Nagbago ako Balen. Welcome to Ngayon, Pampanga.
Yes, so for today's vlog, kayo ba'y naghahanap ng bagong Japanese restaurant or ramen bar dito sa may Balibago, Area City? And at the same time, tingnan nyo naman yung likod natin.
Tingnan yung likuran natin.
So this is the place for you.
Yes, so guys, this is BURI Ramen Bar located dito po sa may Balibago, Area City. And ito po ang ating experience for today. If you wanna know more about yung mga pagkain na sinerve nila sa amin, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Alright, so ayun guys, habang nag-photo shoot at saka video shoot yung mga kasama natin ngayon, gusto ko pong ipakita sa inyo yung dining area. So pagpasok niyo po dito actually, meron siyang dalawang section. So meron tayong alfresco, ito naman yung enclosed or air condition. Napakaganda pa rin ng ambience mo dito. So para sa akin, nagustuhan ko yung kanilang alfresco. Most probably yung ganda nun tuwing evening. Parang mas, kumbaga, malamig na yung kapaligiran, parang mas masarap. During the day, and if it's really still hot or warm outside, best fit is dito sa loob naman. And then, like I said, anywhere you are seated, ganda, galing, ganda sa mata. Okay, so ayun guys, just an update. This is our table. And lumipat tayo from the counter to here kasi medyo dumarami na yung mga hinahanda nila. So I've heard meron pa tayong pizzas and ramen. Wow, grabe. So ngayon pa lang yan, nagpapasalamat kami kay BURI for being such a generous host for this video. Grabe. So ayun guys, this is our table and I think kulang na lang dito sa kanilang ramen.
Yes.
But from the number of the dishes that they prepared, grabe, ang dami nito.
Speaking of, ito yung mga hinahanap natin.
Yes.
And napakadalang na lang talaga ng mga authentic Japanese na meron ganito.
So ayun guys, aside from the beautiful place, it's a pretty place, dining area. Pag Japanese food kasi medyo may art yan.
Yes,
So,
may arte.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So visually guys, this
Appealing
this is
and
already
appetite.
visually appealing. Titikman pa natin sila.
Ito pa, yung iba dito, first time nating matitikman.
Oh yeah.
Oo.
Like this cold dipping noodles.
Yes. Counterpart naman niya is hot dipping noodles.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yes, meron din tayo yung kanilang
Parang may pour over na soup, no?
yes,
Yes.
pero hot din to. And syempre, ito yung kanilang parang creamy noodle type.
Yeah.
Ooh. Something new is yung kanilang parang sushi taco.
Sushi taco.
No?
Yes.
So they have two variants. The first one is tuna and salmon. The other one naman is
Mango and crab.
anyway, so again guys, nagpapasalamat po kami kay BURI Ramen Bar. Samahan niyo kami guys if you wanna know more about this. We're gonna put more details. And for now, let's just
Kain
eat.
tayo.
Let's go.
And isa to sa mga dipping ramen nila, pero medyo mainit lang ng konti.
Slurp it. So actually medyo smoky. And then yung soup niya is cold. So great for summer. It's a refreshing dish, even if it's a noodle.
Okay.
So there you have it guys, another place for you to check out. Grabing busog ko, ang dami nun, Mark.
Ako, nag-enjoy ako sa food. At the same time, marami tayong mga first time na tikman.
I agree. I definitely agree. So ayun guys, So si BURI Ramen Bar is open po from 4 p.m. onwards.
Yes.
So you gotta check out po yung fan page nila.
Kung kayo nga ay naghahanap ng bagong restaurant na kakainan dito, na magandang place, masarap ang food, and saktong-sakto sa budget nyo, this is a place to be.
So ayun guys, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope you see in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery, peace out.
Bye guys.